do you desire to pipe in your neck this way? As you can see, it's beautiful. Okay, have you ever wondered how your piping will relax on your neck? Sit down and follow us. I want you to finish this video, watch to the end of this video, and you will not regret it. Alright, I'm going to take you step by step on how you can cut this and how you can put other things that will make it smooth this way. Alright, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and this is your first time of visiting my channel, please click on subscribe. Don't forget to click on the like button. Let's go to our tutorial proper. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut the piping of your neck. Okay, the bias used in piping your neck. Alright, as you can see, when you hold your fabric and look at the drawing is not much. The drawing is not much, but look at it. The drawing is much. Okay, and so we're going to cut across this. This is how we're going to cut across. All right, not this, not this. Okay, but we'll cut across this. And so, what will be the width of your piping depends solely on you. If you want it to be tiny, you will have to. You determine how the width will be. If you want it to be a little bit fat, okay, the width should be increased. The width should increase. It also depends on you. But for tutorial sake, I want my piping to be 2 inch. 2 inch. And so all I just need to do is to mark 2 inch, mark 2 inch, mark 2 inch, mark 2 inch. Please, the length of your piping should be more than the roundness of the neck. Okay, should be more than the roundness of the neck. So I cut with 2 inch. But please make use of your ruler to join this point, this 2 inch that I marked out. Just make your ruler to cut it. All right, for tutorial sake. I'll cut it without the ruler. Right. So this is what we use for piping. Right. Okay, this is here is the wrong side of the fabric, here is the right side of the fabric. Okay, so we deal with the wrong side. Okay, the next thing is you iron. Don't forget, you iron it. You iron your fabric. Fabric. So don't forget, I said I'll take, because it's 2 inch and I want 3/4 at the end, or a little bit, or 1/2 inch. Okay, all I just need to do is fold it a bit. It could be a little bit more than 1/4. There are different methods. Okay. So I'll do the same, and I'll measure. At the end, I want it to be 1/2 inch. My piping should be 1/2 inch. Okay, so this is 1. This will give me 1. So I'll follow this. I want to achieve 1 inch as my final piping. Okay, 1 inch as my final piping. Don't forget. using your, when you're ironing, do not forget to use your pressing wood. So the next thing is to put interfacing such as hemstay. Put your hemstay inside this, okay? Hemstay to make it fit. Okay, this is the hemstay. Put your hemstay inside. Put your hemstay inside. Next thing is fold it into two. Four parts. Don't forget to add water. Alright. Having done that, all we just need that circular, okay, to get your neck. What we need is, all you just need to do is this. Okay, just follow me the way it is. Okay, you see it. Don't forget, make use of your pressing wood. Depending on how curved your neck is. Don't forget, depending on how curved your neck is. If you want it this way, for example, this is how the neck is. Make sure you measure the roundness of your neck. This is 17. Have to adjust it a bit. Know the middle part, please. Very important. Perfect. Okay. So all you just need is. So this is how to piping. All you just need is to fix it into the roundness of the neck part, okay, of your neck part of your senator after cutting the roundness of your neck. If this video has been of help to you, please click on like button. Are there ways you want me to work on that will help me produce a better video, and a better explanation? Please drop it on the comment section. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click upon subscribe. We drop videos every week. Feel free to visit our channel every week. Please share this video with your friends. Right, see you at the comment section. Bye bye.